In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take video screenshots in CapCut PC. If you need a clean thumbnail image, a still photo from your footage, or just want to save a specific moment from your video in high quality, CapCut PC makes the process very simple. The key is choosing the exact frame you want and then exporting it correctly so the image looks sharp and usable. To begin, the first thing you want to do is find the perfect frame inside your video. Look at your timeline and drag the vertical playhead line to the exact moment you want to capture. This is the most important part of the process because your screenshot will be taken from whatever frame is currently selected. Take your time here and make sure the subject looks clear, centered, and natural. If you want even more precision, use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to move frame by frame. This is especially helpful if you're trying to catch a specific expression, a clean transition moment, or a frame without motion blur. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so it's worth nudging through a few frames until everything looks perfectly aligned in the preview window. Once you've found the frame you want, the next step is to export that still image. To do that, click the three-line menu icon in the top left corner bar, or use the menu icon above the preview window, depending on the layout you see on your screen. From there, select Export Still Frame. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up, you'll choose the settings for your screenshot before saving it. Start by entering an image title so the file is easy to recognize later. Then choose your resolution. For most everyday use, 1080p works great, but if you want the highest level of detail for thumbnails, presentations, or larger displays, 4K is a great option if available. After that, pick your format. PNG is the better choice if you want maximum image quality and cleaner detail, while JPEG is useful if you want a smaller file size that's easier to share or store. When everything looks good, click the blue Export button. CapCut will save the snapshot image directly to your computer, and that's it. You now have a high-quality video screenshot taken straight from your project inside CapCut PC.